Joy isn't always a shout. Sometimes it's a whisper, a gentle warmth that spreads through you, a quiet moment of peace. True joy, the kind that resonates deep within, is often found in the simplest things. I've always been fascinated by how we experience emotions, how something intangible like joy can feel so real. Recently, I began exploring this through the lens of artificial intelligence. Could AI, with all its complex algorithms, understand and express something as human as joy? I decided to find out. My prompt to the AI was simple, a string of feelings rather than instructions. Warmth, memory, home, joy beyond language. I wanted to see if the AI could capture the essence of joy, not just its outward appearance. The AI worked its magic, processing my words and translating them into a visual language. What emerged on the screen took my breath away. Imagine a field bathed in the golden light of sunset. The sky is alive with hues of orange, pink, and purple, blending seamlessly into one another. Figures, almost translucent, seem to float across the landscape. There's a nostalgic quality to the scene, a sense of looking back at cherished memories. A warmth emanates from the image, drawing you in. Take a moment to truly observe the painting. What part of it calls to you? Is it the soft glow of the setting sun, or perhaps the ethereal figures that grace the landscape? Maybe you see something entirely different, a reflection of your own unique experiences and understanding of joy. That's the beauty of art, isn't it? It speaks to each of us in a personal language. The AI's creation isn't perfect, but that's part of its charm. Just like joy itself, it's a little messy, a little undefined. It drifts in softly, unexpectedly, touching our lives in ways we can't always explain. A friend of mine, upon seeing the painting, shared that it reminded her of childhood summers spent at her grandparents' house. The warmth of the sun, the feeling of endless days, the simple joy of being surrounded by loved ones. What feeling does this artwork evoke in you? One word, what is it? In the realm of art and artificial intelligence, we're just beginning to scratch the surface of what's possible. Next time, we'll delve into a more difficult emotion, grief. Can beauty be found even in the darkest of places? Let's find out together.